Being a single parent comes with its own unique set of challenges, and one of the biggest hurdles is managing finances. From providing for your child's needs to planning for their future, financial planning as a single parent requires careful consideration and strategic decision-making. In this video, we will explore the key aspects of financial planning for single parents, including setting up a budget, making ends meet, and discovering available financial aid options. So, if you're a single parent looking to take control of your finances and secure a stable future for your family, keep reading. Financial planning for single parents is about to get easier than ever before. The challenges of being a single parent. Being a single parent can be both rewarding and challenging. While you may have the joy of raising your child on your own terms, there are also various obstacles that come with this role. One of the major challenges is balancing work and family responsibilities. As a single parent, you may find yourself juggling multiple roles, being a caregiver, breadwinner, housekeeper, and more. This can often lead to feelings of overwhelm and exhaustion as you try to fulfill all these roles simultaneously. Financial strain is another hurdle faced by many single parents. With only one income to rely on, it can be difficult to meet all the expenses associated with raising a child. From childcare costs to educational expenses, every financial decision needs careful consideration. Emotional support is also crucial for single parents. Without a partner or co-parent to lean on, it's important to build a strong support network that includes friends, family members, or even local community groups who understand your unique situation. Time management becomes vital when you're navigating parenthood alone. Balancing work commitments with quality time spent with your child requires effective planning and prioritization. While these challenges may seem overwhelming at times, remember that you are not alone in this journey. There are resources available and strategies that can help alleviate some of the burdens faced by single parents when it comes to financial planning and beyond. Setting up a budget. Setting up a budget is an essential step for single parents to take control of their finances and ensure they are meeting their financial goals. It may seem overwhelming at first, but with some planning and organization, it can become a manageable task. The first step in setting up a budget is to gather all your financial information. This includes income from all sources, such as salary, child support or alimony payments, and any government assistance you may be receiving. Alongside this, make a list of all your expenses, both fixed, such as rent, mortgage payments, and variable, like groceries or utility bills. Once you have gathered this information, it's time to analyze your spending habits. Look for areas where you can cut back or make adjustments to save money. For example, consider meal planning and cooking at home instead of eating out frequently. Next, divide your expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, healthcare, education, childcare costs, etc. Assign a specific amount for each category based on what you realistically need to spend. Now that you have allocated amounts for each expense category within your budget plan, track your spending regularly using spreadsheets or mobile apps designed for tracking personal finances. This will help you stay accountable and identify if there are any areas where you're overspending. Remember that creating a budget is not about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices with your money so that it aligns with your priorities as well as covers the necessities of life as a single parent. By taking the time to set up a realistic budget tailored specifically to your needs and circumstances, you'll be better equipped to manage your finances effectively. Making ends meet. Making ends meet as a single parent can be an ongoing challenge. Balancing work, parenting responsibilities, and financial obligations can often feel overwhelming. However, with some careful planning and resourcefulness, it is possible to make your budget stretch further. One key strategy is to prioritize your expenses. Start by identifying the essential items that you need to cover each month, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and groceries. These should always be at the top of your list. Next, take a look at discretionary spending and find areas where you can cut back. This might mean finding cheaper alternatives for entertainment or dining out less frequently. Small changes in these areas can add up over time and help you save more money. It's also important to explore ways to increase your income if possible. Consider taking on additional part-time work or freelance gigs that fit into your schedule. You could also look for opportunities to earn passive income through investments or rental properties. Additionally, take advantage of any financial assistance programs available specifically for single parents. Research government grants or subsidies that may apply in your situation and apply for them diligently. Remember that making ends meet requires ongoing effort and flexibility. Stay proactive about managing your finances by regularly reviewing your budget and seeking out new opportunities for saving or earning extra income. By being mindful of where every dollar goes and actively seeking ways to maximize resources at hand while minimizing unnecessary expenses, you will gradually gain more control over your financial situation as a single parent. Financial aid for single parents. Financial aid for single parents can be a lifesaver when it comes to managing their finances. There are various options available that can help alleviate some of the financial burdens they may face. Here are a few avenues that single parents can explore. 1. Government assistance programs. Many governments offer financial assistance programs specifically designed to support single parents. These programs include benefits such as cash grants, food stamps, and housing subsidies. 2. Scholarships and grants. Single parents who wish to further their education can take advantage of scholarships and grants specifically tailored for them. These opportunities provide financial aid for tuition fees, books, and other educational expenses. 3. Nonprofit organizations. Some nonprofit organizations focus on assisting single parents by providing financial assistance in the form of emergency funds or grants for specific purposes like childcare or healthcare costs. 4. Community resources. Local community centers or social service agencies often offer resources and services targeted at supporting single-parent households financially. These resources may range from job training programs to affordable housing options. 5. Child support enforcement agencies. If there is an absent parent who is not fulfilling their child support obligations, single parents can seek assistance from child support enforcement agencies to ensure they receive the necessary financial support for their children's well-being. It's important for single parents to research and explore these options thoroughly in order to find the most suitable forms of financial aid available to them based on their individual circumstances. Conclusion. Financial planning for single parents is undoubtedly a challenging task. Balancing the responsibilities of raising children alone while also managing finances can be overwhelming. However, with careful budgeting and seeking out available resources, it is possible to navigate these challenges successfully. Setting up a budget is crucial for single parents as it helps in tracking expenses and identifying areas where adjustments can be made. By prioritizing essential needs and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you can make your income stretch further. Making ends meet may require some creative thinking and resourcefulness. Exploring opportunities for additional income through part-time work or freelance gigs can provide some relief. Additionally, taking advantage of community support networks or online parenting groups can help connect you with valuable resources such as childcare assistance or food banks. Financial aid programs specifically designed for single parents exist to offer assistance during difficult times. It's important not to feel ashamed or hesitant about utilizing these programs if they are available to you. Remember that accepting help when needed doesn't diminish your strength as a parent. Rather, it demonstrates your commitment to providing the best life possible for your children. Don't forget the importance of self-care during this journey. Taking care of yourself physically and emotionally will ultimately benefit both you and your children in the long run. Seek out support from friends, family members, or even professional counselors who specialize in working with single parents. Being a single parent comes with unique challenges but also offers incredible rewards. Watching your child grow into an independent individual while knowing that you have played an integral role in their development is truly fulfilling. Remember that every small step towards financial stability counts, no matter how daunting the process may seem at times. With determination, perseverance, and smart financial planning strategies tailored to fit your circumstances as a single parent, success is indeed within reach.